Today we discuss about the subject English, lesson third. The chapter name is down, down, down. आप समझ ही रहे हैं डाउन मीन्स होता क्या है कि नीचे नीचे और नीचे. इट मीन्स कंटिन्यूअस नीचे जाते ही रहता है. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. ऑल ऑफ यू लिसन केयरफुली. अ लिटिल गर्ल Alice sees something strange and gets curious. Read on to find out what she discovers. It means एक छोटी गर्ल्स होती है और उसे कुछ अपरिचित सा महसूस होता है. वह क्या है इस स्टोरी के माध्यम से हम लोग जानेंगे. राइट, लेट्स वॉच. Beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the river bank. उसकी बहन जो एक नदी के किनारे बैठी है and doing nothing और कुछ कर नहीं रही है. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no picture or conversation in it. वह बुक को देखती है और सोचती रहती है कि इसमें कोई पिक्चर है और ना ही कोई कन्वर्सेशन है. What is the use of a book? Thought Alice. Without picture or conversation. क्या यूज है? ना पिक्चर है ना कुछ है तो क्या यूज हो सकता है. So she was thinking when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eye ran close by her. जैसे ही सोचती रहती है तो वहीं से एक सफेद कलर की जो है रैबिट उसके नजदीक से गुजरती है जिसकी आंखें गुलाबी होती है. The rabbit seemed worried. घबराती नहीं है, घबरा जाती है. सॉरी, it said to itself, वो अपने आप से कहता है, oh dear, I shall be late. It took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and then hurried on. A light jumped to her feet. She had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. She ran across the field after it. She was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under some bushes. कुछ झाड़ी होता है उसके अंदर, वो क्या होता है, होल होता है उसके अंदर, वो समा जाता है ना. तो इन अनदर मोमेंट कुछ बाद डाउन वेंट Alice after it, never once thinking how she was to get out again. वह बाहर कैसे आएगी. Right? Again the rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way and then dropped down so suddenly that Alice found herself falling down very deep. Well, either the well was very deep or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time as she went down to look about her and to wonder what was going to happen next. वह आश्चर्य में पड़ जाती है कि आगे क्या होने को है. She looked at the side of the well. Well means क्या होता है बच्चों? कुआं होता है, right? And noticed that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. Here and there, she saw maps and pictures hung upon page. एक फुट में पिक्चर टंगी है. She took down a jar. She took down a jar. Again, Alice to herself after a fall. For this, I shall think nothing of tumbling downstairs. How brave they will all think me at home. As a story, down, down, down would the fall never come to an end. It means यह ऐसी स्टोरी है कि उसका एंड ही नहीं आता है. Right? I wonder how many miles I have fallen by this time. मैं आश्चर्य में था कि यह कितना नीचे गया मुझे पता नहीं है. She said aloud, I must be getting close to the center of the earth. Let me see. That would be 4,000 miles down. I think yes, that's about the right distance. She began. Again, I wonder if I shall fall right through the earth. How funny it will seem to come out among the people that walk with their heads downward. It means वह जाते जाते इतना नीचे चला गया कि उसे पता भी नहीं चला कि वो कितना नीचे जा रहा है. डाउन डाउन डाउन, देयर वाज नथिंग इज टू डू. जब जाते रहता तो वो कुछ करने लायक भी नहीं रहता है. सो अलाइस विल बिगन टॉकिंग अगेन. फिर बात करता है. दीना विल मिस मी वेरी मच टुनाइट. आई शुड थिंक. दीना व्हाट? द कैट. दीना कौन होता है बच्चों? कैट होता है. I hope they will remember her saucer of milk at tea time. Dina, my dear, I wish you were here. There are no mice in the air, but you might catch a bat, and that's very like a mouse, you know. But do cats eat bats? I wonder. And then Alice began to get rather sleepy. अब वह सोने के मूड में चला जाता है. And went on the saying to herself in a dreamy sort of way, do cat eat bats? Do cat eat bats? And sometimes do bats eat cat? She couldn't answer neither questions. So it didn't much matter which way she put it. She felt that she was touching off and had just begun to dream that she was walking hand in hand with Dina, when suddenly, thump, down she came upon a heap of sticks and dry leaves, and the fall was over. Alice was not a bit hurt, and she jumped up on to her feet in a moment. Before she was another long passage, and the white rabbit was still in sight. Hurrying down it, Alice ran like the wind, chasing after the rabbit. She was just in time to hear it say, as it turned a corner on my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting. It is a story from Alice's Adventure in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. It means यह स्टोरी बताता है कि वह इतना अंदर चला गया कि उसे यह पता नहीं चल पाया कि हम कहाँ पहुंचे, लेकिन अंततः कहाँ पहुंचता है? वो थप से गिरता है कहाँ? एक पत्ते पे, और वह अपने आप को संभालते हुए अपने पैरों पे खड़े होकर के फिर अपने आप को जंप कर जाता है. थैंक यू. We meet the next class for solving the question answer. Thank you.